Chopper. A bun man. Where you there on the ends?
No, I'm not the pan ends.
So which part of it?
Brother, we need to know that. Just make sure you have pan over the side and do myself. Come in the body after this. I understand. Be your friend.
Alright, I'll link pan man. See? Deal with it man. Alright.
Wait, I know me said the whole of the item never for forward, but me I expect for the stone. Go and butcher, the stone there.
Yo, King man. Right now, Godfather, I pray darkness. Man, they not talking. Then so we get locked down. Darkness.
Cha. You know, truth be told, I can't say I don't understand the anger, you see it? However, that is my main reason for there today, for talk to them. I apologize for as a leader, I should not have made such an erratic decision and put them at risk and at danger and them lose their freedom. Even though it was short a time, but any amount of time when your freedom restricted, brother, it's not good. Some birds was never meant to be caged.
Yo, King. Right now we do a whole heap of talking already and we still come and talk again. I told you now, I don't see my daughter, you know. You see me over her grandmother, she have to there, you know. Right now, brother, I get fed up of this. You get me? I don't even know what go on with our schooling right now. And at that, I try to clean upon you. See what I say?
I hear you, brother. But you know the funny thing with me, I think. The I say, 2 days now, the I ain't see the daughter. And it's unfortunate. But you see, if we did have our way in the evening there, could have been a 20 years, you know, see her. If at all you ever see her again, one left the other movers when I say. Because guess what? There are sometimes where when you win, you still lose.
So right now we still not up on the losing enough father. Right now I don't even know a chopper more will brawling see me, yeah.
Vicious. I hear the idol. I hear the whole of the idol march. Because right now, for telling the truth, I really want Buck Chopper to bring my axe to every giant in my body and put him in a garbage bag and brawling. But guess what? It never suit the purpose right now. You see?